For the last couple of years, if a local business owner talked about using AI, they usually meant opening a chatbot to draft a polite email or brainstorm a few social media posts. But the technology has moved past generating text. Today, these systems can actually execute the core actions that keep a business running: answering the phone, booking the calendar, and collecting late payments. Over the next few minutes, we are going to build a 24/7 autonomous front desk. We will use BUI-specific tools, and the entire setup will cost you around $20 a month. By the time we finish, you will have a digital employee actively working to capture revenue, even when your actual doors are closed. Before we turn on any automation, we have to fix the data. There is a trap in AI deployment, known as confident garbage. If your internal records are a mess, the AI won't know the difference. It will simply read an old spreadsheet and confidently quote an outdated price to a new client, or double book a time slot because your calendar wasn't synced. This animated diagram shows exactly why hygiene matters. On the left, chaotic spreadsheets feed directly into a confused AI. To get the precise outputs on the right, your first step is to explicitly update your CRM. Log in right now and verify your standard pricing, your dispatch fees, and your actual calendar availability. By clearing out old and conflicting information, you remove the system's need for guessing. A well-organized database prevents the AI from improvising answers during live customer interactions. An autonomous agent is only as reliable as the business data you allow it to read. Clean data in, accurate actions out. This pie chart visualizes a critical metric for local businesses: the 60% rule. Over 60% of people searching Google Maps message multiple businesses, and they almost always hire the first one to reply. Step 1 is to make sure you are always the first to reply. Open your Google business profile, navigate to your inbox, and toggle on the feature called AI Chat Scheduling. Immediately after turning it on, check your settings to verify the tool is successfully connected to your active Google Calendar. You need to ensure it is reading your live availability to prevent scheduling conflicts. Here is what the customer sees. They ask if you fix water heaters, and the AI replies instantly. It quotes your standard $89 dispatch fee and offers 3 open slots directly from your calendar. In local services, speed acts as a protective moat. Autonomous scheduling guarantees you secure that booking while your competitors are still driving to their next job site. Once you've secured the customer, you have to collect the money. If you offer a monthly membership, like a gym or a med spa, chasing down expired credit cards drains hours of administrative time, and it often leads to awkward text messages. To automate this, open your Stripe billing dashboard. Look for the AI collections agent and toggle it on for all recurring billing failures. You'll need to set a few specific parameters. First, instruct the agent to send secure update links via SMS. Then, you must set a 48-hour pause threshold, so the system knows exactly when to suspend the account if the client ignores the prompts. This diagram shows the complete process flow. A failed card triggers an automatic SMS and starts a 48-hour countdown. The result is either a successfully recovered payment or a paused account, and Stripe takes a 0.5% fee only on the money it successfully collects. You don't have to think of this as another monthly software expense. It functions as a revenue recovery system that explicitly pays for itself. Next, we need to reactivate past clients. It used to take hours of clicking through dense CRM menus and setting up webhooks to build a targeted email sequence. Now, you can build the entire campaign using plain English. Open your GoHighLevel Pro account and select the native Claude action tool. Inside the input field, you just type, "Build a reactivation SMS campaign for clients who haven't booked a hydrofacial in 6 months and offer them a 15% discount." Do not fall for the set and forget mistake. Before you press launch, always use the human-in-the-loop review function. Check the AI's math on the discount and verify the segment list to make sure the offer is accurate. Natural language has become the new programming interface. You can now act as your own marketing automation engineer, segmenting lists and writing campaigns in under a minute without writing a single line of code. Let's review the system you just built. You now have an agent responding instantly to local leads, a collection system recovering failed payments, and a natural language interface generating targeted reactivation campaigns. The tools have moved completely from generating polite drafts to executing profitable actions directly on your calendar and in your bank account. For the next 7 days, track the exact numbers. Count how many appointments were secured while you are away from your phone, and calculate the exact dollar amount Stripe recovered from expired cards. Pushing this manual admin work to an automated system removes the bottleneck on your time. It allows you to scale the operation and focus entirely on delivering the actual service that built your business in the first place.